Wesley, do you know who this dog is?
Yes.
This is Chien. That means money, money. Look at how cute, how handsome he is.
And I'm going around.
You're going around. This is my son Wesley, who's 5, and this is Chien. Look at how cute he is. It's the first day he's in our house, and we're getting him ready to fly to his forever home tomorrow. Right? You're gonna go to your loving home. Okay, you wanna give him a hug for me? Because I'm gonna miss him. He's such a cutie boy. Can he come over? Bring him over. I can't see. Okay, that's it. Okay, hug and a kiss, please. Yeah, what a good boy. Chien, come. Good, Chien. You wanna play with him for a little bit? Chien? Good boy. Good boy.
Looks like he likes this one.
Yeah, he likes the rug, right?
Hi.
Hey, don't follow me. You want to bring him to the mat and have him sit there? Chien, can he go? Can he sit?
Sit. Chien, sit. Sit.
Ooh, we have our old dog Pee. Pee's already 14. It's gonna meet Chien.
Years old.
Oh, good boy, baby. Good Pee. And good Chien. Good dog. Very dog friendly, relaxed, friendly dog.